the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it,
I came over.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so if you've been watching me as of late, whenever I do these type of videos where it's not a sponsored video and it's a unit that I bought, I like to give you guys subscriber shout outs. So today's subscriber shout out is gonna go to my girl, Lauren Rennie. Shout out to you, Lauren, for always supporting me and loving me, and showing me love. Look, I'm talking about, and loving me and showing me love. I truly do appreciate you so much, boo. I really do. If you guys are interested in subscriber shout outs, all you have to do is make sure you are liking the videos and comment on the videos, and I will add you to my subscriber shout out list. I now officially have a list, okay, that I keep in my notes because, girl, your girl memory is terrible. So just do that and I'll add you to my list and give you guys a shout out. Also, if you have like a business or whatever, put that down below as well, and I will make sure to add that with your name and shout out your business. So yeah. So anyways, y'all, let's now get into this video. All right, so another thing, if you've been watching me, then you know when I do these type of videos, when it's a wig that I caught with my own coins, I like to give myself a shout out, honey. So go Chrissy, go Chrissy, go Chrissy for copping yet another unit with your own coins, girl. Okay, you are the real MVP, okay, girl? So this particular unit, as I stated, I did buy it, and I'm gonna get on y'all because I feel like this wig has been out for a while. Nobody let your girl know, okay? Nobody let me know. I be wanting you guys to comment down below, you know, wigs, like the syntheticas, honey, things that it can be an older wig, just like wigs you want me to try out. Just let me know down below in the comments so I can write them down and try them out, because I be mad. But this particular unit is by Freetress, and it's been a long time since I had a Freetress wig. I can't even say it. It's been so long. And it is from their luxury integration collection, I guess. And it is in the style Willow. I do have it in the color TD30. It does come in multiple different colors. On the stock card, it's gonna be showing 1B. And on the back, it's giving you guys washing instructions, okay? And that is basically it as far as the details that they have about this particular wig. Now, I don't know if this wig is meant to be worn as a half wig, but it is definitely a full cap sort of wig. There are no combs in this unit whatsoever. It does come with adjustable straps, and I want to say that in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I had to crisscross the straps to just kind of make it fit like I wanted it to, because it doesn't come with any combs whatsoever. Although you could sew in some combs. I'm nobody's seamstress, girl, okay? I don't know how to sew. That's not your girl's forte. But if you are, boo, you can do that, okay? I can't. So I would definitely deem this unit to be more so big head friendly than not. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this particular wig, I have not experienced any, but I didn't run my fingers through it for real. I fluffed it like that, like you guys saw in the beginning part, and that is it. And I keep smushing down the top. I feel like that always just kind of gives the look that I'm kind of going for with these sort of wigs, but that is it. I don't like to run my fingers through too much with curly synthetic wigs, or just curly wigs in general, because I feel like it takes away from the look. But you do your wig like you want to do it. But so I don't know, girl. I don't know what old girl does. I know she was cheap. That's what I do know, okay? But we'll get into that in a little bit. But yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. It only comes with adjustable straps and it has no combs, as I stated, and yep, that is it. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 see, honey, then please continue to watch. Okay, so my con with this wig would be the fact that it doesn't come with combs. I know a lot of people don't even like combs, but with wigs like this, I do prefer at least one comb in the back. It comes with no combs whatsoever, so that is my one and only con with this wig. Now, my pros with this wig, let's start with the price. Let me go ahead and look up the price because I don't remember. All right, y'all, so this unit is $18, honey. So the price is like the major pro of this wig. Like, even if you thinking about it and then you're like, girl, I don't know if I want it, the price will still make you get it because, child, I mean, even if you don't like it, you're out of less than $20, girl. Okay, I spend that much on getting used to some food from somewhere because he's greedy. Okay, so I love the pricing of this wig. I also love the curl pattern. I love the big, like how full it is, and I love the fact that it's super beginner friendly. Girl, all you gotta do is put old girl on and fluff her. Now you can layer it and do extra stuff if you want to, but really all I did was throw old girl on. Okay, and if you want to add something like a headband, maybe even do the pineapple method, you can still do that with this unit. You can make these sort of units versatile if you want to. Okay, and yeah, those are my pros with this wig. Like, girl, and the color, I love the color, and I feel like the color is friendly for people who are afraid of color. So those are my pros. Now, would I recommend this wig? Yes. First of all, because of the price. Also because it's just an easy slay to me. Like, I know it won't be everybody's cup of tea. Somebody's probably looking at me and like, girl, that's like a bush on your head. Okay, but to me, I love these sort of units, and I love how you know, how easy they are to just throw on and run out the house, so you don't have to wear your jailhouse braids, girl. Okay, so you don't have to wear your Queen Latifah braids, honey. You can just throw this on and go handle whatever business you need to handle. So I love that for me. And the price, did I mention the price? Like, did I mention the price, girl? So yeah, I would definitely recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're already on this wig and you didn't tell your girl, because we beefing. Okay, I want you to know from me, we beefing. Okay, let me know down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthToMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time.